Hello everyone and welcome back to Zeus Tech. Today in this video we're going to learn all about variables. What are variables? How do they work? And what's their purpose? So before we begin, if you like the content that I post, then please leave this video with a like and subscribe, comment down below how it was, and turn on the post notifications to get notified whenever I release a new video. I stuttered a lot there, sorry about that guys. So let's begin then. So there's actually 4 different types of variables. There are integers, and let me do something. You can actually hashtag, and that way you can write down anything you want. So there are integers, which are basically numbers. Examples will be 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. And then we have strings. Strings is another word for text, or like text slash letters slash special characters. And the thing is that you know that something is a string if it has single or double quotes. Example, let's put this here, is something like hello world or how are you. Both of them are actually strings, as strings can be single or double quotes. Now, next thing is float. Float is numbers with decimal points. I can't type. Decimals. So examples of this would be like 2.5 or 9.2 or like anything you want. These are decimal. These are float, or another word for decimal. And last thing, this might be a little confusing, is called Boolean. A Boolean is true or false. It can only be one or either one of these. It can't be like maybe or something like that. It's either true or false. It's binary, you can say that. 0 or 1, but in this case it's true or false. So now that we've seen what different types of variables they are, let's do something and print them. Let's print 10, and then let's print type of 10. Or actually, before we do this, let's make a variable. To make a variable in Python is very simple. First, we need to name the variable. Maybe like A. You just put equals, and it can be a number. 1, it can be a string. Hello. It can be a float. 2.3. Or it can be a Boolean. True. Any one of those. So we're going to put 1. And then we're going to print 1 and type 1. Oh, sorry. And we're going to print A and type A. And if we run this, you can see it's 1 and the class is int. Int is short for integer. Say that it is a string, like hello. If we run this, hello class string. If it's a Boolean, 2.3, run it. It's 2.3 class float. And if, no sorry, that's a Boolean, I meant float. And if it's true, then true and class bool, and short for Boolean. So this is a short introduction to what variables are and how they work. If you like this video, then please leave it a like and subscribe, and put in the comments below how it was. Guys, so the footage actually cut. I've never had this problem before, but for some reason it cut this time. So I wasn't able to end my outro. So I'll say it again. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like and subscribe. Put in the comments below how it was, and turn on the post notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video. So, and thanks for watching.